Hello students, a discussion is continue on sentence transformation. It's the sixth session. Today we will learn different type of adverbial clause. In our earlier sessions, we discussed about the adverbial clause of time, adverb clause of place, adverb clause of result. Now let us discuss a few remaining adverbial clauses. Here is an adverb clause of contrast, adverbial clause of contrast. An adverb of concession, contrast, opposition offers a statement which contrasts with the main idea. The sentence or a statement which contrasts with a main idea. Such a statement or a sentence is called adverbial clause of contrast. They are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions. Here is a list before you, which are subordinating conjunctions offering contrast. Offering contrast. Which are they? Let us learn. First one is though. Though is subordinating conjunction used to connect main clause and adverb clause. Adverb clause of contrast. Although, even though, while, whereas, even if, however, and as. These are subordinating conjunctions used to connect two different clauses, main clause and adverbial clause, making the sentence complex. So let us go through these conjunctions and learn how to apply them in sentence. First sentence before us. Though I am poor, I am honest. I am honest. It's the main clause. Though I am poor. Though I am poor. Though shows the contrast between main ideas. I am poor. I am honest. Honest. I'll be able to get in. I'll be able to get in. Although I have no tickets. It's an adverbial clause. Although I have no tickets. Contrast. Generally, what I'll be able to get it. I'll be able to get it. Although I have no tickets. Without ticket, it is not possible to get. But even then, I'll get. It shows the contrast. Generally, I am honest and poor. Two contrast things. Am poor, generally poor is not honest. But I am poor, but I am honest. I am poor, but I am honest. Two contrast ideas has been connected with the given subordinating conjunctions, and these conjunctions make the sentences complex. Sentence is complex. Even if it rains, even if it rains, I'll come. I'll come. I'll come. Even if it rains, I'll come is the main clause. Even if it rains, it is contrast of main idea. Generally what happens? If it rains, person avoid going. But here, I'll come even if it rains. It shows the contrast with main ideas. And here, later one is main clause and the first one is adverbial clause of contrast. The man managed to survive. Main clause, friends. We got. What does this sentence mean? Here, even though they were 3 days without water. It's the contrast with the main ideas, and this is an assistant clause which is called an adverbial clause and shows the contrast. That's why it's an adverbial clause of contrast. John is very social, whereas his brother is an introvert. Contrast in both the sentences. John is very social. Sentence depends its on, and that's why it's the main clause. The later sentence, the last sentence, shows the contrast with the main idea in the main clause, whereas his brother is an introvert. It's an adverbial clause showing the contrast, and that's why it is called adverbial clause of contrast. See, adverbial clause at the first position there is comma, at the last position no comma, sorry, here even though no comma. Here you can see last position at the end no comma. Here in the beginning there is comma. At the beginning there is comma. Powerful as the king was. Powerful as the king was. As is the conjunction. Powerful as the king was. It's an adverbial clause of contrast. He couldn't win the battle. Main clause. He couldn't win the battle. And the contrast with the main idea is found here in the first sentence. Here in the first sentence. Powerful as the king was, he couldn't win the battle. He couldn't win the battle. It's main clause, and here is the contrast or in main clause. Powerful as the king. Generally, what happens? King is powerful. He can win the battle, but even then he couldn't win the battle, and that's why there is contrast between two sentences. But it is very important to decide which is main clause and which is adverbial clause or dependent clause. So here he couldn't win the battle, it's the main clause, and powerful as the king was, it's an adverbial clause of contrast. However critical the situation was, Mr. Patel found out the solution. Mr. Patel found out the solution. It's the main clause. And contrast of his finding out the solution is given. However critical the situation was. Generally, in critical situation, it's very difficult to find out the solution. Even then, he found out the solution, and that's why the given sentence shows the contrast. It's an adverbial clause of contrast. Friends, these all adverbial clauses make the sentence complex. Don't forget, because you will be told to transform the clause sentence from simple to complex, simple to compound, complex to compound, complex to simple, vice versa. Here, comparison of degrees. Degrees or comparison. Adverbial clause of degree or adverbial clause of comparison. Let us go through these comparative sentences. An adverb of degree states to what degree something is done or offers a comparison. If answer the question how much, how little, or how many, we will get the degrees of comparison. Here are a few conjunctions which are used to compare the things as, so as, the, and then. These are the conjunctions which are used to compare to things, to objects, and mainly what is the comparison of friends, of qualities, of adjectives. And here we have studied earlier, friends, comparative forms of adjective: old, older, like that, great, greater, greatest, tall, taller, tallest, positive, comparative, and superlative. So let us go through these comparative sentences. She is older than her husband. Here is the comparison. She is older than. Comparative degree, comparison between two things, two persons. She and her husband. She is older than, it is connected with than. She is as intelligent as she is beautiful. She is as intelligent as she is beautiful. Here is the comparison between her intelligence and her beauty. Her intelligence and her beauty, and both are equal. Both are, she is equal in both this quality. It is told, means positive degree. But here in comparison, one was better than the other, while both are equal. Shows the equality, it's positive degree way, and shows the superiority, it is comparative form of degree. Here are a few more examples. You are later than I expected. Later than, late, later, latest. It's comparative form. After comparative form, than is always used. You are later than I expected. Means there is comparison between reality and my expectation. Reality is that you are late, and what I had expected, you will come earlier. So you are later than I expected. She is as pretty as a doll. As comparison between she and a doll. She is as pretty as a doll is. A doll is another sentence. She is pretty is one sentence. So here she is compared with doll, means her prettiness, beauty is compared with that of doll. She is not so intelligent as her sister. Comparison between her and she and her sister. And comparison is that the quality of intelligence. She is not so intelligent as her sister. Quality is placed between show as adjective, and it's in positive form. Intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. Here, try it shows the equality, means so as, it's the positive way. Here she is not so intelligent, means her sister is more intelligent than her. The older you grow, double comparison it is called, the older you grow, the wiser you become. The older you grow, the wiser you become. Here you can see the comparative form of adjective, old, older, wise, wiser. The older you grow, the wiser you become. Comparison between two. The more he earns, the more he spends. The more he earns, the more he spends. Again here, comparison of his earning and her, his spending. Sorry, not her. His earning and her, his spending. Here is one more example, and we will learn how to convert these degrees from one to another. Here is information. Chandimal is the subject, prosperous. We will discuss about this quality, compare this quality with that of other merchant. Chandimal himself is a merchant, and we are going to compare Chandimal's prosperity with other merchants. So let us start. First, the positive degree. Friends, no other merchant is as prosperous as. See, the adjective is placed between as. It's the positive way, positive degree, positive way of comparison, showing equality between two. But ultimately it says no other merchant. It shows that Chandimal is more prosperous or the most prosperous. No other, it is a negative sentence. No other merchant is as prosperous as Chandimal is. Means Chandimal is more prosperous than any other merchant. The sentence says that Chandimal is more prosperous, and Chandimal has been compared with the other merchants, and comparison shows that Chandimal is more prosperous. This is the way comparison is there done. This is the way. The other way, very few merchants. Very few merchants. Few is also shows negation, friends. A few shows a little, while only few shows negation. Very few merchants means almost no. almost no one. Very few merchants are as prosperous as Chandimal. Means the sentence says that Chandimal is the is more prosperous. Means comparing with a very few, almost no merchant is as prosperous as Chandimal. Here, friends, very few merchants. Here you can see it's a plural. Here it's singular. No indicates singular, few shows plural, and that's why here is, and there in the next sentence you can see there is are. Very few merchants are. Very no other merchant is. It's in singular form, it's in plural form. It's positive degree. Now how to convert this degree into comparative? Let us convert this sentence into comparative. No other merchant is as prosperous as Chandimal. Means Chandimal is more prosperous than any other merchant. Changing the sentence into comparative degree. No other merchant is as prosperous as Chandimal. It means Chandimal is more prosperous than any other merchant. Here, comparative form, more prosperous. Here it was as prosperous as, more prosperous than. No other merchant than any other merchant. Now let us convert the later one into comparative. Very few merchants are as prosperous as Chandimal. Means Chandimal is more prosperous than many other merchant, not than all other merchant, not than all. Otherwise, he will be the most prosperous. But here we cannot say Chandimal is the most prosperous. But there are a few. There are few. Chandimal is more prosperous than many other. Here compare this than any other means no other is like Chandimal. This sentence says that Chandimal is the best. And this shows that there are a few like Chandimal in prosperity. So any other merchant singular, many other merchants plural. Plural form is given here. Then any other merchant, then many other merchant. Here Chandimal is the best in prosperity. Here there are a few like Chandimal in prosperity. Superlative. Chandimal is the most prosperous merchant. Chandimal is the most prosperous merchant. Means it's the superlative form of Chandimal is more prosperous than any other merchant. It means he is the most prosperous merchant. It is superlative degree. And plural form Chandimal is one of the most prosperous merchant. Means the later sentence we have studied now, Chandimal is more prosperous than many other merchant. It says Chandimal is one of the most prosperous merchant. This is the way positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree is written and their structures. So this is the way they are changed from one degree to another. That's it for this session, friends. Thank you.